Alright, let's be real, designing a poster isn't about making things look cool, but it's all about capturing real emotions, and it's about designing a piece of art that will stop people in their tracks and spark emotions at the same time as well. So the stakes are high, the pressure is on, and I have an idea that might work or it's gonna be a total disaster. So yeah, let's begin. Hey everyone, I am Deep Ganguly and I am a brand identity designer and a creative director, and I have been doing this for the last 3 years. So welcome to my channel. So disclaimer, I am not going to be using any grids. I'm going to be using Photoshop. I am not going to be using any sort of strict design rules, and I'm going to try to create something totally out of the box. So first things first, we need to get inspired. I'm not gonna slap a random image on a poster and just call it a day. We need to dig a little bit deeper to make it look iconic. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna gather 7 to 10 posters and create a mood board so we can refer to that and design our own poster. I'm gonna also collect some typographic inspiration so that when we are designing the poster we can refer to that as well. And yes, you can also include color palettes in this mood board so that you can refer back. By the way, I forgot to tell you that the name of this film festival is Berlin Film Festival. The next step is I use my sketchbook to draw out 5 to 6 layout of the poster, and you can draw as many thumbnails as you want, but I think that 5 to 6 layout thumbnails are enough for this. So yeah, you can use your sketchbook for that. So yeah, I'm gonna be giving myself 1 hour to design this poster. So either it's gonna be iconic or it's gonna be a super flop, a total disaster. So yeah, let's find out. So alright, let's get going. Ha 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 ha. I really like this pic of this lady. It has kind of an uplifting and energetic feel to this. I think it's gonna be a real fit for our poster. So here I'm using a square and changing its color and changing its property from a normal to an overlay. Let's see what other elements can we add here. Let's add a circle and let's change its color. So right now I'm playing with filters and trying to get to something that looks good. Playing around with colors too. So I'm also using some texture, some graphic element to spice our poster so that it looks very unique and stands out. Here I'm using a little faded dirty texture to give it an iconic look here. So let's play around with this more. Time for our font. Let's see what we can come up with. So here I have used a font that's similar to Helvetica but it's free. It's called Free Sans and you can use it. I think it's giving a kind of very cool look to our poster. So yeah, I'm gonna use this one. Trying to give it a more poster look by tilting the font here. I think this placement of this font might just work because previously it was looking a bit cluttered here, so it's cleaned up now. So let's add some more dotted texture here to spice things up, reduce the opacity. And it's about done here. So okay, we are almost out of time. I just need to do this one last thing. Just mock this thing up and see how it performs in the real world. Alright, that's it. Time's up. So yeah, the poster is ready. I wanted to capture something very cinematic, something that can stand out. But the real question is, what do you think? So drop your thoughts in the comment section. I would like to know what you think about this poster, and if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment. And yes, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. There is a lot more stuff coming up on this channel. So until next time, keep pushing, keep creating, and remember just that the best designs come from a little chaos.